Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, we covered up to 42nd question. Now the next question is 43. In this question, we are going to see what is mean by conditional operator. Okay, explain syntax of conditional operator. Explain syntax of conditional operator. Okay, next and after that, how it is different from other programming languages. If you take other programming languages, how it is going to be differentiated from other programming languages. This question we are going to discuss. Sir, if you take other programming languages, what is the syntax of conditional operator? First, we have to take within bracket condition. Once if the condition is satisfied, we have to take a question mark and then we need to take true block statements. And after that colon, we have to take a false block statements. Like this, just for your understanding, I'm giving space. Like this, it is going to work. Means what? Whenever this condition returns true, these true block statements are going to be executed. Whenever this condition returns false, false block statements are going to be executed. This is nothing but how syntactically it is going to work when you take other programming languages like C, C++, Java. I'm not taking any example to demonstrate this, but same operator, same this conditional operator, how it is going to work in Python. In Python, the syntax of conditional operator is first we have to take true block statements. Then if we need to take the condition, else false block we have to take. First, what it is going to do, it will evaluate this condition. If this condition is true, what will happen? True block statements are going to execute. Suppose if the condition is false, then what will happen? False block statements. Anyway, the evaluation will be first, condition will be evaluated. Then it will take the decision. Now, I will take one or two examples to demonstrate this particular concept. Okay, let us go for examples. See, first example, I have two numbers are there like A and B. My requirement is I want to check whether A is the biggest number or B is the biggest number. Sir, maximum of A and B we are going to check. How you can check maximum of A and B? Very simple. I am taking a Python program. First, we have to take A is equal to int of input. And let us give some interface message saying enter A value. What it is going to do? It will show a command prompt screen asking enter A value. Then B is equal to, I am taking int of input within bracket, I am taking enter B value. Then what will happen? It is trying to read the value of A and it is trying to read the value of B. A value and B value both will be accepted. Now I am printing A if A is greater than B, otherwise B. Simple condition I have taken, sir. So first I am verifying is the first number is greater than second number. If this condition is true, then what is the meaning? A is the biggest number, that value we are supposed to print. Suppose if the condition is false, then we are printing B value. Like that, first I am going to check the condition. Based on the result, we are going to take the decision. So this operation is called as what? Conditional operator. This is a true block. This is a condition. This is false block. Like other languages, we are not required to use any question marks, colon, something like that. Let me execute and check whether it is working or not. Py space test.py I am giving. It is asking enter A value. I am giving 10. Enter B value. I am giving 20. So 20 is the biggest. Enter A value 10. Enter B value minus 20. Which is the biggest, friends? 10. It will print 10. This is the way how conditional operator is going to work. I hope you are clear with this first example. Let us take another example, second example. What is the second example here I am taking is, I want to read a number and I need to check whether that number is positive number or negative number. Sir, read n value. Okay, check whether the given number is positive number or negative number. How you can do that? How many inputs are required for this program? Only one input. Let us read that n value. N is equal to int of input I am taking, and I am mentioning enter n value. Like this I am taking. After this, what we have to do? I'm printing the message saying the given number is positive number. The given number is positive number. When it will happen? If that number is greater than 0. That's all right. This is the condition. When the value of n, okay, when compared with 0, it is greater means we have to print positive number. Otherwise, what we have to print? We need to print negative number. That's all. So we are reading the value of n from the user and we are checking a simple condition like is it greater than 0. If this condition is true, then it is nothing but positive number. If this condition is false, then it is negative number. Like that we have. Sir, now we have to run this code. Let me check. Enter n value. I'm giving 65. Is it a positive number or not? Yes. Enter n value minus 88. Is it a negative number or not? Yes. Now, sir, what will happen if I am giving 0? Sir, 0, we have not mentioned anywhere in the condition, right? That's why it is considering 0 as the negative number. That is the biggest problem what we are facing here. How you can overcome these? We can write nested also here. That is nothing but my third example. Okay, I want to check whether the given number is positive number or is it a negative number or is it 0. Like we have to check, is it a positive number or negative number or 0. How you can able to do that? First, we are going to read the value of n from the user. Now I am rewriting the condition. Listen, friends. First, I am going to check. First I am going to check is the value of n is equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, what message I need to print? 0. If it is not equal to 0, else. Here, again, we have to write another condition. What is that condition? I want to print positive number when if that number is greater than 0. Okay. Else we have to print negative number. Am I right? Yes. This one I am connecting here. That's all. This is called as nested conditional operator. If you want, just I am explaining at a top level. Listen. This is nothing but a true block what we have. This is nothing but a condition what we have. And this entire thing is considered as a false block. In this false block, sir, again we have another true block is there. We have condition is there. We have false block is there. Okay. So a condition within another condition is called as what? Nested. This is nothing but what we have. Now I want to run this program. Let us cross check. Enter n value. I'm giving 10. It is a positive number. Enter n value. I'm giving minus 10. It is the negative number. Enter n value. I'm giving 0. What is output that we are going to get? 0. Like this we have. This is nothing but how you can able to check whether the given number is positive number or negative number or 0. I hope these three examples are more than sufficient to understand how conditional operator is going to work. Okay, so you can practice more examples on this, right? Thank you, friends.